What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva, Crypto Babe. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great day today, guys. If you're here for the first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright, guys, I'm back with a quick review on my automatic pay. Have some folks that have reached out, had a lot of opt-ins coming in, and the people are asking, is this program still working? And of course it is. My automatic pay, okay, a low ticket program but very effective. $247 instant commissions. I want you to check this out. The link is in the description. www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, you can check it out there. And I want you to check out this video. Check this out. Watch this.
The economy is a mess. Gas prices have never been higher. Inflation is affecting everyone except us, because we have a recession-proof business. That's right. We are just releasing a way for you to create unlimited payments throughout the day and even while you sleep. This new system actually generates multiple payments with its mass marketing built-in software. Our members are averaging $741 per day, and they are not negatively affected by what's going on in this economy. So don't wait. Grab your piece of this recession-proof system by simply filling out the form below.
Alright, so let's check this thing out. Hang on a second. Alright, let's take a look at one of the sales pages here. Let's go over this. M.A.P, okay. It allows you to earn $247 payments. The key to wealth is to get recurring payments while you sleep. So with this, it's not a passive income project. However, if you set up the system, you get your marketing in place, you could be earning commissions while you sleep, because if it's set up, the world never goes to sleep, the internet, right? So someone may happen to go to your site 4 o'clock in the morning, you're asleep, right? Then on the other side of the world, okay, you never know where people are in the world, okay, because the internet never sleeps, and you wake up and you see a $247 payment in your account any way you want, okay? So this system, love it. I love it, number one, because it's affordable for the masses. Then we know who the owner is, and he's hands-on. Frank is very hands-on. Matter of fact, when someone signs up first, they pay the $33, which goes to the company. He sees that and he notifies you and say, hey, I just got $33. $247 is probably coming your way. Okay, so he's on top of this. So I like that the owner is involved in the program, and he keeps up to date on what's going on and tries to improve the system as much as possible and ask our feedback. All right, so great little system. Get paid $247 over and over. This is one of the sales pages. This page right here is a one-page closer, because basically it includes everything that's needed that someone may have a question about. Your built-in M.A.P bonus, so you get a complete sales funnel with this whole system. You get capture pages, just like it says here, the done-for-you system, so you don't have to worry about setting that up. Okay, creating capture pages, creating an autoresponder, any of that stuff, it's already set up and built in. All right, capture pages, video sales page, which is one of the pages you're on right now, with a video right here. Here's a video that does the selling and telling. Okay, then the built-in follow-up emails that your prospects are going to receive. Once they enter their name and email in the system, this system will follow up on your behalf. So it's called auto recruiting. Okay, your job is just to promote it, get traffic to the system, and let the system do all the sifting and sorting. Okay. Complete sales funnel. I like that. So you don't have to spend any extra money, guys, for an autoresponder or a marketing system. Okay. Buy this system. It's already included. Full autoresponder included. These are the bonuses you're getting. Complete sales funnel, autoresponder included. No monthly charges for this. You get a free members area. All right. You get resources, because most people, their challenge is, well, how do I market this thing? I don't know what to do to get people to look at it. Okay. So they have resources in your back office once you get signed up. And of course, once you get signed up with me as well, I'm going to share my resources too. And then I'm also going to run, my bonus to you is run your first traffic campaign. Okay. So I'm going to help you get started getting traction in this business. All right. So it includes an 800 number that you can promote as well. You can post it on social media, classified ads, whatnot. All right. Earning unlimited 247 payments. There's no cap on how much you can earn here, and you're paid directly to your account. Okay. So there's no middle person. When someone goes to your site and they hit the pay button, you decide how you want to get paid. You can list Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, whatever it is that you want to accept. It's your business. All right. And you're going to be paid instantly. No waiting. All right. Then here's another video on this page. Then they also give screenshots of payment proof. Of this is just a snapshot, guys. There's hundreds of testimonies. I happen to be on this page as well. But this system does work. Okay, you can fill 8 pages with results, but you get the idea. So they don't want to give you, this is just a test, so you can see that it does work. And then I'll show you another payment proof as well. But this thing works. I've been talking about it for over a year or two now. But you have to put the work in. It's not hard work. It's just being consistent. All right, so what's included here? M.A.P has products, and these are the digital products. The main product here is this digital marketing tool that you see this arrow pointing to. And in this tool, it gives you tips on how to promote any business, not just this business. So it's a great little tool to have in your arsenal. Okay, so if you have another business as well, hey, you could check this little tool out here, and it'll give you some tips on how to promote that as well. Not to mention you have the traffic generator, list building solutions, create your own job. These are digital products, okay, that you have access to. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device to access these products. That's what I love about digital products. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. All right. So lots of training in here. And then they show you, here's an illustration on how you get paid. You make $247 commissions. They show you right here, they have what they call the 1-up compensation plan. The very first sale you make, you keep. So you're going to spend $280 to get this system, $247 to the person that referred you, and $33 to the company. So this is very affordable, right? So your first sale, you break even. All right. And then your second sale passes up. Okay. Everybody passes up their second sale. And this is what's going to give you leverage in the program. And your third sale and beyond, you keep all those sales. But what's so powerful about this is everybody that signs up with you, they owe you their second sale. Okay. And the system is going to do this automatically. You don't have to worry about trying to figure that out. The system is going to know when that second person goes to pay, it's going to tell them to pay somebody else and not you. Okay. So that's how that works. So no worries with that. But this is what's giving you leverage, guys, to be able to receive the second sale of everyone. And in essence, you're actually earning $494 per person, because you're going to earn $247, right? When they pay you, then that second sale passes up to you. So from that one person, you made $494. Okay. So you pass up your second referral. That's the only one you pass up. Your third to infinity pays you $247 over and over and over. All the pass up sales are only the second sales. Getting you paid passively is why they created M.A.P. So that's the passive part, because those passive sales will come up when you least unexpected, right? When you least expect it. You're just going along doing your promoting, but all your members, all your business partners are promoting the system too. So when their second sale is due to come up, it's just going to come up to you, land right in your lap. Okay? So capture your bonuses. Get paid $247, 24/7. Don't miss out. It's a proven fact that this one-page presentation will enroll members for you. Yes, because it does the selling for you. You shouldn't be trying to explain these programs, okay? This affiliate marketing, because all the companies, most of them, the ones that I've joined, they have a video presentation here. That's what it's here for, to introduce the program. And then from there, if people have questions, they should jot them down and then ask the questions. But looking at the video, reading over the website, gives you the information you need, okay? And if there's further questions, then reach out, okay? But you shouldn't be trying to explain this to people, okay? Just refer them to your website. All right, so just like it says here, it's ready to join. Pay $33, pay your $247 to your enroller. That's it, that's all. So if you get started with me in this program, I will pay for 200 visitors to go to your website. Okay, let me show you one of the capture pages that I'm using. Okay, and then show you one of the payment proofs that have come in. Hang on. The actual page that I played this little snippet on, this is one of the pages. I like this page. Unlimited payments 24/7. Discover a simple system that pays you unlimited times per day. And then it has that little video that I played you earlier. All right, so you can just opt right into that, guys. You will have immediate access to our done-for-you traffic. This is truly a hands-free system. So your job is to promote. You drive people, that's traffic, visitors. Traffic is visitors, people that's interested in making money online. Okay, we show you where to get those people from. You drive them to a page like this. They opt in. They get a page like this that has the video here that explains it. They read over this. Then, of course, here's another video. Very, very simple system as well. All right. And that's pretty much how that goes. But your job is just to drive the traffic. Okay. I do paid advertising. Okay. They'll do a little free advertising as well. But I'm always promoting. That's the name of the game. All right. Let me just show you a payment proof that this system actually works. It continues to work as long as you work the system. Okay. And this is a payment right here, and you can accept payments via Stripe. This with someone using actual credit card or debit card. Okay. $247 M.A.P digital training membership. All right, guys. So the system absolutely works. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link because I have a funnel for this. M.A.P has their own system, so I want you to see that. Instead of going to get paid from home.info, go to besteasyworkincome.com. That way you can actually see the M.A.P system, how it works, okay? And that way you'll go to this page right here. Go ahead and put your information in. Watch this video, read over this. Watch this one. Read over the website, okay? It's a very short website here. Jot down your questions and give me a call if you're serious about getting started. It's only $280, guys. $247 will go to the referrer, your enroller, and $33 to the company. That's it. No monthly fees. You're done. Your job now is just set a marketing budget and promote the business. All right? So if it sounds like something you're interested in, go check it out. besteasyworkincome.com. The link is in the description. And if you have any questions, jot them down. Give me a jingle. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.